And staying on with the news that is coming from the valley, because it comes as a major embarrassment for the Hurriyat leader and the separatist leader Mirwais Omar Farooq. Now, there is a video that came out, viewers, and especially coming up from the area of Jamia Masjid, where you have goons with ISIS flags who took over the so-called throne of Mirwais Omar Farooq, and they chanted the slogans after his sermon. Now, the men there chanted ISIS slogans inside, and the others tried to stop them. Now, this is on the right that you see those visuals. Even as the separatist propaganda that continues as far as these Hurriyat leaders are concerned, seems like they have been receiving a major setback from those who they've been supporting. Take a look at this video first.
Dawlatul Islam! 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 Dawlatul
Well, you heard those were ISIS chants that were coming from those goons, but we have Aditya Rajkol who is joining us live with more on this. Aditya, now can't it be said, what an irony, what you sow is what you reap. This is Hurriyat leader Mirwais Omar Farooq getting a taste of his own medicine.
Well, yes, this is in fact an exclusive video accessed by Republic TV. This is in fact Mirwais Omar Farooq, who has this throne at the Jamia Masjid in Srinagar. And in fact, in this video, we can clearly see ISIS goons or ISIS sympathizers who have taken over this entire area. This is inside the Jamia Masjid, a very prominent mosque and seat in Srinagar, the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. And clearly, you can see a war intensifying between the ISIS and the radical separatist outfit Hurriyat Conference. In the past as well, we've seen the ISIS and also in fact the AUG, which is an affiliate of the Al-Qaeda, issuing threats against the Pakistan-sponsored Kashmiri separatists. And now a big embarrassment coming in for Mirwais Omar Farooq, the same man who condemned the the killing of the ISIS terrorists as well. And now the same ISIS sympathizers and terrorists have taken over the Jamia Masjid and are jumping over the seats, showing black ISIS flags, and a massive embarrassment now coming in for the Hurriyat Conference. Clearly a war of words and war intensifying between terror groups and the ISIS and the Pakistan-sponsored elements in the Kashmir Valley.
But how difficult is the situation now there, Aditya, because we've seen such kind of chanting of slogans, ISIS flags being shown right after Friday prayers there. But coming at a time which is an important place for these separatist leaders, now we've seen how they've been sympathetic towards these goons. Now it seems that those goons are heading towards them when it comes to that aggression we've seen on the streets. So this is a direct dare as far as these ISIS goons are concerned, because they have been chanting slogans and they took over there at the Jamia Masjid, where Mirwais Omar Farooq, right after giving his sermon there, we can see the kind of scuffle that ensued, after which you had these goons with ISIS flags and chanting ISIS slogans. This is what Mirwais Omar Farooq getting a taste of his own medicine. Let's move on now.